Good morning student, myself Ms. Razia, and in today's video we are going to continue the same lesson, the Dick Whittington and his cat. Student, in the previous video we have studied one part of this lesson and today I am going to explain you the remaining one. So before starting it, let me have a short recap what exactly we have studied in the last video. Student, in the last video we have studied that there was a boy whose name is Dick and he was very poor. He lost his parents in the childhood. He doesn't have house to stay and no proper way of living. The people of that area treat him unkindly. They just hated him because he doesn't have his parents. One day he heard that the street of London is paved with gold. Means on the street everywhere there is gold fallen. So what he decided to go on London and collect that gold and make up his fortune, make up his luck. So that he thought that if I'll be rich, so people will treat me nicely. Now I am poor, that's why people are not treating me properly. They are hitting me and behaving me badly. So if I'll be rich, they will respect me. So he decided to go to London. But somehow when he came to London and he had seen that there were no golds on the street of London, so he got disappointed. As well as over there also, he doesn't know any person. The people of London also treated him badly. He was just roaming here and there for food, and finally, because of unconsciousness, because of weakness, he fall in front of a house which belongs to a rich merchant, that was Mr. Fitzwarren. The person, Mr. Fitzwarren, was a nice person, so he had given Dick a place of living as well as job. Now finally Dick got a home as well as a job, but still he has to face two difficulties, two problems still he has to face. So till this much we have studied in the last video. Let's move on further. So here see the next. The first was that the attic he slept was overrun by rats and mice. At night they scrambled all over him and kept him awake. After a time he solved this problem by saving a few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. In no time at all, the cat chased away all the rats and mice and Dick was able to sleep peacefully. So I said you Dick was having two problems which he wants to solve. The very first problem was the place where Dick was sleeping, the attic. Attic means मैंने आपको कहा था a place on top of a house, roof, जिसको हम माला कहते हैं. So he used to sleep over there, and over there are lots of rats, and when he sleeps, what the rat and mice do, they run on top of him. वो उसके ऊपर से भागते थे. And if rat and mice run on top of you, what you will do? You will get frightened. You will not able to sleep. Same way, Dick was unable to sleep. A night they scrambled. Here scrambled means jump from one place to another, all over him and kept him awake. Oh, the whole night they jump on Dick. The rats, they jump on Dick the whole night and they doesn't allow Dick to sleep. Whole night Dick was awake. वो जागता रहा. And early morning he has to go to work. He has to help the cook. So the whole night he is not able to sleep. After a few time he solved this problem. Now Dick was very much got irritated about these rats. So he decided to solve this problem. How he decided to solve this problem? He decided to save his pennies. Pennies means money. The amount which he get as a work. जैसे जॉब में काम करते तो पैसे मिलते हैं ना, pennies. So he get a money. With that money, he saved that money little bit. and with that money he bought a cat. वो पैसे से उसने क्या खरीदा? cat. And in the no time, and the cat was so fast and quick that wherever the cat see a rat, it just jump on the rat and eat it. वो rat के ऊपर jump करके rat को खा गई. So same way, within a few days, or you can say a few hours, the cat has eaten all the rat, and now Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Now this was the first problem which Dick solved. Now see the another problem, the other difficulty which was not so easy to overcome. Now the another problem which Dick was facing was not easy one. वो एकदम easy नहीं था to solve. The cook bad temper. The cook which Dick has to help. Dick को जिस cook के साथ help करना था, help करके काम करना था, with whom he has to work, the cook is having bad temper. Bad temper means angry person. He is a very angry and rude person. She shouted and screamed all the day. If Dick has done correct also, then also that lady shout at him, screamed, shout so loudly that Dick will get frightened. इतना जोर से चिल्लाएगी कि the small boy Dick, he get scared, and could scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon. And every day, हर दिन, she shout at Dick, scold, चिल्लाती थी, and hit, उसको सर पे मारती भी थी with a wooden spoon. A big wooden spoon is there with which she cooks, जिससे वो खाना बनाती थी. With that spoon, or big spoon, she hit on his head. Every day she hits, even when he was working at a hard as he could. Even if Dick has done not a single mistake, if he has done his work perfectly, वो हर काम perfectly करता है, help करता है, listen properly, doesn't argue, still the cook does not like Dick. Cook को Dick पसंद ही नहीं था. That's why she keep on shouting and beating him regularly. One night Dick decided he could stand it no more. Now every day Dick got irritated. हर दिन उसका, if Dick has done correct also, the cook is hitting her, so hitting him. So he decided that now it's too much, अब ये बहुत हो गया, I will not bear it, मैं अभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा. Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. Now Dick decided to solve this also problem. What he thought कि how much I do good also, this cook will not going to like me, वो मुझे पसंद नहीं करेगी. Finally I decided to leave the house. मैं ये घर छोड़ दूँगा. I will take my cat. Early in the morning when the cook wake up, cook उठने से पहले, I will get up and leave this house and go somewhere else to seek my fortune, means to see my luck. I will go somewhere else to search my luck. I hope you are understanding, children. Here see the next one. The two of them. Who two of them? The Dick and the cat. The two of them walked as far as Holloway on their way out of London. Now these two of them, early in the morning, very morning, they left the house and they were kept on walking. वो चलते जा रहे. Holloway means the way of London. वो लंदन की स्ट्रीट में चलते जा रहे and they were about to leave London. लंदन से बाहर ही निकलने वाले थे. Then Dick sat on a stone to rest. They are going to cross London. वो लंदन को क्रॉस करने वाले. When Dick got tired, वो थक गया, and on a rock, एक छोटे पत्थर के ऊपर वो रेस्ट करने बैठ गया. It was the 1st of November, the first week of November, All Saint days, and the church bells were ringing. So it was the November. You know, December means a Christian era. So before that, November was there, and everywhere Saint means a priest, a prayer day is there, and everywhere the church, you know, London is a place of Catholic, so you will find a church everywhere. वहाँ पे हर जगह आपको चर्च दिखाई देगा. So the church bell was ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seems they were ringing out a message for him. When Dick was sitting on the rock silently, just relaxing, at that time he heard the bell. उसको वो bell सुनाई दिया चर्च का. And when he heard the bell, he understand that the bell इज़ नॉट अ बेल, इट्स गिविंग हिम अ मैसेज. वो बेल एक मैसेज दे रहा है मुझे. Who think like that way? Dick was thinking like that way, that the bell which is ringing in the church is not a simple bell, it's giving me a message. And what message it was? Turn again Whittington, though worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. So that bell is telling to Dick Whittington, the message is giving, the bell is giving the message to Dick that turn again Whittington. Whittington is his surname. He's telling that you Dick Whittington, you just don't go away from London. तो लंदन से बाहर मत जाओ. Go back again. Turn again means go back again. Though worthy citizen, you will be a city. You are a citizen of London. आप एक लंदन के citizen हो. Lord Mayor of London. And one day you will become the Mayor of London. Mayor means head. Please, you just go back again. आप वापस return जाओ. एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बिकम अ मेयर ऑफ लंडन. एक दिन आप ज़रूर मेयर बनोगे लंदन का. सो दिस वॉज द मैसेज ही हर्ड इन दैट चर्च बेल. वो चर्च बेल में जो बेल बज रहा था, ही हर्ड थ्रू दैट बेल दिस मैसेज. लॉर्ड मेयर ऑफ लंडन सेड डिक विटिंगटन. सो व्हेन ही हर्ड दैट मैसेज, Lord Mayor of London means I am going to become a mayor of London, means the head person of London. Dick started thinking that, वो सोच में पड़ गया कि that God is giving me a signal. I should like to be Lord Mayor and ride in a fine coach. So now he's thinking that no, yes, I want to become the Lord of Mayor. मुझे Lord of Mayor बनना है. And I want to ride. मुझे भी सवारी करनी है. A great cars. If you become a head of a person, you will get a nice big cars in which you can ride and go to every place. So I want to become a mayor of London. I can put up with a few scolding from the cook if that is what it is in the store for me. So now what Dick is telling that I can put up with a few scolding. अगर मुझे मेयर बनना है एंड टू गेट दैट मेयर आई वॉन्ट टू गेट द स्कोल्डिंग ऑफ दैट कुक. वो कुक की स्कोल्डिंग भी मुझे मिलेगी, डांट भी मुझे मिलेगी, तो मुझे चलेगा. बट इफ़ आई बिकम द मेयर ऑफ लंडन, अगर उससे मैं लंदन का मेयर बन सकता हूँ, सो आई एम रेडी टू हैव दैट स्कोल्डिंग. वो स्कोल्डिंग भी मुझे मंजूर है. सो आई विल गो बैक अगेन to the house. So Dick and his cat retraced their step. Retrace means return back. So Dick and his cat returned back to Mr. Fitzwarren house. Again they came back to the Fitzwarren house. Luckily they were able to slip back before they had been missed. So luckily means they were lucky कि वो लोग वापस टाइम पे रिटर्न आ गए. Still when they returned back, still all were sleeping only. सब लोग अभी तक अपने इसमें ही थे. No one noticed. किसी ने नोटिस नहीं किया कि Dick has left the house. Now Mr. Fitzwarren used to send ship far away the sea to trade with other countries. Now Mr. Fitzwarren, I said he is a big businessman. So what business he does? वो कौन से business करते थे? He has a ship. उनके पास बहुत ships रहती थी. So the goods from one country to another country. He send goods. He sell goods. वो गुड्स बेचता था. एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में क्या बेचता था? गुड्स बेचता था. सो नाउ मिस्टर फिट्जवॉरन इज सेंडिंग वन शिप टू अनदर कंट्री. और अभी इस बार मिस्टर फिट्जवॉरन एक शिप भेज रहे थे अदर कंट्री में, एंड टू अनदर कंट्री फॉर ट्रेड, फॉर बिजनेस. ही कुड लोड अ शिप विद गुड्स फॉर द कैप्टन एंड शिप क्रूज टू सेल इन फार अवे प्लेस. And then they could bring back goods that could be sold at home. So now what he did, now the ship was about to go. So he load a ship, मतलब उसने ship में सब goods डाल दिए. Which goods he wants to sell to another country. जो goods उसको दूसरे country में बेचने थे, he put all the goods on the ship. And he tell the captain that you take this good and sell this good in another country. One day he called his household together. Now Mr. Fitzwarren, now what he decided that I am sending some goods to another country. मैं goods एक country से दूसरे country में बेच रहा हूँ. Why not I will ask my people only, those people who are working at my home, जो मेरे घर पे काम करते हैं, मेरे servants, if they want to send their something to another place, अगर उनको अपनी कोई सामान बेचनी होगी, so I will ask my those servants. So what he called, one day he called all household means the person who work for Mr. Fitzwarren. वो लोगों को बुलाया जो फिट्जवॉरन के लिए काम करते थे, कुक, मेड, सर्वेंट, हाउसकीपर, ड्राइवर, watchman. So he called everyone. I am sending a ship to Africa, coast to trade. Now he said to those people that my ship is going to Africa. मेरी ship कहाँ जा रही है? अफ्रीका जा रही है. And whatever goods I am having, I am selling to Africa. मैं अफ्रीका में बेचने जा रहा हूँ. He said, would any one of you like to send something of your own it? और now he asked the people कि आपकी कोई चीज़ बेचने की है क्या? If you have some goods to sell, just give to me. I will sell that goods to another country and bring you nice money. और वहाँ से आपके लिए क्या करूँगा? अच्छा पैसा लाऊँगा. If you have something to give, you can then share in the profit if the voyage is successful. So voyage means traveling by sea. Voyage means traveling by sea. So he said that if you have some good, you can give that goods to me and we will make a profit of that goods and I will share that profit with you. So if you have anything, you just give it to me. Like that he just have a discussion with all the household members at its place. I hope children you have understand. Let's move further. Everyone produced something except for Dick. Now everyone, so all other people, those who are there, they have given something or the other things for sale. उन्होंने कुछ न तो कुछ तो दिया. But Dick was standing like that only. Who had nothing to offer. Dick के पास कुछ भी नहीं था because he doesn't have anything. He is poor. Have you nothing of your own, Dick? Asked Mr. Fitzwarren kindly. So I said you, Mr. Fitzwarren was a very nice person. He gave Dick house to live and a job. So he asked Dick, you don't have anything to sell? तुम्हारे पास कुछ नहीं है बेचने के लिए? And Dick replied, only my cat. Now Dick said कि I don't have anything. I only had my cat. मेरे पास सिर्फ ये एक cat है. Then let your cat go on the ship, said Mr. Fitzwarren. Now Mr. Fitzwarren, what he said? Okay, if you had that cat only, give that cat on the ship. We will sell that cat and bring you a nice amount. His daughter Alice said, Dick love his cat. Let me put something in for him. Now Mr. Fitzwarren has a daughter. He has a daughter. The name of his daughter was Alice. उसके daughter का नाम क्या था? Alice. Now Alice was very attached to Dick. वो Dick के साथ बहुत attached थी because they are of same age के थे. So he was attached to Dick and she said to Dad that Dad, Dick love his cat a lot. Dick अपने cat से बहुत प्यार करता है because it is the only one thing he is having. जो एक ही thing उसके पास है. Don't take that cat. वो cat मत ले लो. Instead of that, I'll give something. मैं अपने तरफ से कुछ देती हूँ on behalf of Dick. मैं Dick के नाम से अपने तरफ से कुछ देती हूँ. But her father said, no, it must be his, not something belongs to someone else. Now father said, Mr. Fitzwarren said, no, you can't give on his behalf. तुम उसके behalf में नहीं दे सकती हो. I want the thing which is belong to his. मैं ऐसी चीज़ चाहता हूँ जो उसकी हो. And which I sell and bring nice profit back to him. जिसको मैं बेच के अच्छी profit करके उसको वापस दे दूँ. So you cannot give the things. तुम नहीं दे सकती. So Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. Now what Dick did? He finally brought his cat. Dick ने अपनी cat को लेके आया and he has given his cat to Mr. Fitzwarren, saying goodbye, last goodbye, very sadly. He was very sad because he was only having one friend and that it was cat, and now he was giving his cat for sale. The captain of the ship was delighted. The captain of the ship was delighted means he was very much happy. The captain became very happy, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on the voyage. Now here the captain got very much happy because captain knows that this cat is a good catcher of rat. ये कैट एकदम एक्सेलेंट रैट को कैच करती है. एंड इट वुड बी वेरी ईजी फॉर मी इफ़ आई टेक दिस कैट ऑन अ शिप. मैं अगर इसको शिप में लेके जाऊँगा तो शिप में वट एवर कैट रैट इज़ देयर, शिप में जो भी रैट रहेगा, दिस कैट विल ईट दोज रैट एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी फॉर इट. और हमें सफ़र करने के लिए अच्छा होगा, ईजी फॉर अस टू ट्रैवल. हु थिंक लाइक दैट वे? द कैप्टन. After some month, the ship arrived at the place on the African coast. Now, where was the ship going? Yes, the ship was going to Africa. And after few months, कुछ 1-2 महीने बाद, that ship reached to Africa. Arrive means it reached to Africa, coast of Africa. Africa की coast में वो रुक गया. Barbary. Which place? Barbary, where a people called the Moor lives. It went to the coast of Africa. अफ्रीका की कोस्ट में गया, विच कॉल्ड एज बारबरी, जहाँ के लोगों को मूर कहते हैं. मूर्स क्या कहते हैं? मूर्स. द कैप्टन सेट अ मैसेज टू द किंग टू से ही हैड अ फाइन गुड्स फॉर सेल एंड ही वॉज इन्वाइटेड फॉर द पैलेस टू शो दैम. सो द कैप्टन ने वहाँ के अफ्रीका के किंग को, कैप्टन ने क्या किया, वो जो अफ्रीका में जो किंग है, he sent a message to that king that we have came from a far away place and we brought a goods, we have brought a nice goods. हमने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे goods लाए हैं आपके लिए. and if you invite me at your palace, अगर आप मुझे अपने घर पे invite करोगे, so I will show you all those gift. While he was talking, now what happened? The king and when the king got the message, he invited the captain to his palace. जब किंग को मैसेज मिला, किंग ने कैप्टन को पैलेस में एज अ डिनर इन्वाइट किया. वाइल ही वॉज टॉकिंग टू द किंग एंड क्वीन, सम डिशेस ऑफ फूड्स वेर बॉट इन, बट ऑलमोस्ट immediately rat and mice ran up before the captain's eyes and ate all the food. So the captain came to the king's palace for dinner as the king called. So वो डिनर के लिए आया and what the king and queen did, they place all the food. उन्होंने वो टेबल पे they decorated all the foods. उन्होंने पूरा food placed किया and they set the captain to eat. But before the captain can eat the food, immediately means suddenly, rat and mice, कहाँ से बहुत सारे चूहे आए. rat came and ran upon the foods. वो food के ऊपर घूमने लगे and eat all the foods. और सब food खा गए and the captain and the king and queen were just looking at it. The captain was astonished. The captain was shocked. वो captain shock हो गया कि what is happening? Captain got shocked that what is happening? The rat is in a daytime. ये daytime है and the rat is eating all the food. And asked, it was happened normally. And the captain asked the king. उन्होंने king को पूछा, is this happen like that way? हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, when you place the food, the rat comes and eat it? Alas, yes, reply. The king replied sadly. Alas means very sadly. Very sadly the king replied, yes, it happens every day. ये ऐसे ही होता है. The country is suffering from a plague of rat and mice and we cannot get rid of them. Now sadly the king said his problem to the captain. The king said his problem to the captain that the country, the whole country of Africa is suffering. ये suffer कर रही है. Plague. Plague is a disease which is spread by rat. प्लेग एक ऐसी डिजीज़ है जो रैट से फैलती. नाउ डेज विच डिजीज इज गोइंग ऑन? कोरोना वायरस विच इज स्प्रेड थ्रू अ वायरस. सो इन अफ्रीका देर वॉज अ डिजीज़ कॉल्ड प्लेग. तब कौन सी डिजीज़ थी? प्लेग, विच इज़ बीन स्प्रेड थ्रू रैट. किसकी वजह से स्प्रेड हो रही थी? रैट की वजह से स्प्रेड हो रही थी. एंड वी कैन नॉट गेट रिड ऑफ. एंड द किंग इज़ टेलिंग दैट वी ट्राइड अ लॉट. हमने बहुत कोशिश किया बट वी कैन नॉट गॉट एनी सोल्यूशन. हमें कोई भी सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला. The king was very sad. So I hope till here you have understand, children. Now one more part is remaining of this lesson. I hope you have understand till here. Still the lesson is not complete. One more part is there, that in the next lecture I will complete that part and then we will go on to the question answer section. Children, I hope you have understand this lesson. It is a very beautiful lesson. Now here see, the king said his solution to the captain that the country of Africa is suffering from a disease called plague, and he had got not any solution of it. So I hope you have understand this lesson till here. Just read it and go through it. Okay children, if you have any doubt, ask me. Thank you for watching.